Imagine an invisible monster that devours matter, swallows light, and bends time. Yes, I'm talking about black holes. Most black holes are very far away, but there's one hiding right in our cosmic neighborhood. Meet Gaia BH1. It's only 1,600 light-years away. It's 10 times more massive than our Sun, yet still invisible because it's not consuming gaseous matter. A dominant black hole orbiting a star, meaning it was disguised as a star hiding in our galaxy. But there are even stranger cases, like LB1. When scientists discovered it, they thought it was an impossible black hole, 70 solar masses, so massive that it seemed to break the rules. Later, it turned out it wasn't a black hole at all, just two rare stars creating an illusion. A mistake, but a fascinating discovery. Now let's go to the heart of our galaxy, Sagittarius A star. It's 4.5 million times the mass of the Sun, but honestly, it's still tiny compared to the real giants. Meet TON 618, 66 billion times the mass of the Sun, so bright that it outshines its entire galaxy. Then there's Phoenix A, a supermassive black hole with a mass of 100 billion suns. And it doesn't stop there, two supermassive black holes are currently on a collision course. When they collide, they will generate gravitational waves strong enough to shake the entire universe. And one day, our Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy will collide. What will happen to our black hole and Andromeda's black hole at that time? So guys, what do you think will happen when the black holes of two galaxies collide? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more mind-blowing facts about space.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.